Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the best money-making tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the ultimate guide to making $10,000 a month with passive income apps. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about income that flows in even while you're sleeping. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what apps to use, how to set them up, and the strategies to optimize your earnings. Let's get into it. We'll break this guide down into 4 key steps. 1. Understanding passive income. Apps. 2. Choosing the right apps. 3. Maximizing your earnings. 4. Tracking and optimizing your income. Step 1. Understanding passive income apps. Passive income apps are platforms that allow you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. The idea is to set up systems that work for you over time. These apps typically fall into 3 categories: investment apps, side hustle apps, and content creation apps. Let's start with investment apps. Let's talk about the investment apps are a fantastic way to grow your money passively. These apps invest your money in stocks, real estate, or other assets. Step 2. Choosing the right apps. Top investment apps. 1. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. Over time, these small amounts can add up significantly. Plus, they offer a variety of investment portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance. 2. Robinhood. Known for its user-friendly interface and zero commission trades, Robinhood is perfect for buying and holding stocks and ETFs. With the right strategy, you can build a solid portfolio and earn dividends. 3. Fundrise. If you're interested in real estate, Fundrise allows you to invest in real estate projects without the hassle of property management. You earn returns from rental income and property appreciation. Next up are the top side hustle apps. These apps might not be as hands-off as investment apps, but they can still generate passive income if you set them up right. Check these out. 1. Airbnb. If you have a spare room or property, listing it on Airbnb can generate a substantial monthly income. You don't have to be hands-on all the time. You can automate booking and check-ins. 2. Turo. This app allows you to rent out your car when you're not using it. Just like Airbnb, it's a way to make money off assets you already own. 3. Shopify. Create your own online store and dropship products. With Shopify, you can set up an automated store where you only need to handle the initial setup and marketing. After that, it can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Lastly, let's talk about the top content creation apps. These platforms can turn your skills and hobbies into a passive income stream. Here are some popular ones. 1. YouTube. Create and upload videos to YouTube. With monetization options like ads, memberships, and sponsorships, you can earn money from views and engagement. Building a successful channel takes time, but once you've established it, the income can become fairly passive. 2. Patreon. If you're an artist, writer, or content creator, Patreon allows your fans to support you through memberships. You can offer exclusive content and perks in exchange for their support. 3. Udemy. Create and sell online courses on Udemy. Once your course is live, you can earn money every time someone enrolls. This is a great option if you have expertise in a particular field. These platforms allow you to turn your knowledge and creativity into a source of passive income. Just remember, the more value you provide, the more likely people are to support and follow you. Setting up these accounts correctly ensures that you're ready to start earning. Now, let's dive into strategies for maximizing your earnings. Step 3. Maximizing your earnings. To reach $10,000 a month, you need to optimize your approach. Here's how. 1. Investment apps. Acorns. Increase your contributions over time. Consider setting up recurring deposits to grow your investment. Robinhood. Research and track high-performing stocks. Use tools like limit orders and stop-loss orders to manage your investments. Fundrise. Reinvest dividends and diversify your real estate investments for better returns. 2. Side hustle. Apps. Airbnb offer additional amenities or services to increase your listing's appeal. Consider dynamic pricing to maximize revenue. Turo offer extras like delivery or car upgrades to increase rental income. Keep an eye on demand and adjust pricing accordingly. Shopify utilize digital marketing strategies like SEO, social media advertising, and email marketing to drive traffic and sales. 3. Content creation apps. YouTube focus on content quality and consistency. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts. Use analytics to refine your content strategy. Patreon regularly update your content and interact with patrons. Offer exclusive behind-the-scenes content or early access to keep supporters engaged. Udemy update your course content regularly based on feedback and industry trends. Market your course through social media and relevant forums. Now that you've got a list of apps to start with, here are some tips to maximize your success. 1. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments and income streams across different apps to reduce risk and increase your chances of success. 2. Be patient. Building passive income takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see instant results. 3. Educate yourself. Keep learning and stay updated on trends. The more you know, the better your strategies will be. 4. Track your progress. Regularly review how your investments and income streams are performing. This helps you adjust strategies and improve your earnings. Step 4. Tracking and optimizing your income. Optimizing your efforts can significantly boost your income. Finally, it's important to monitor your income and make adjustments as needed. Here's how. 1. With investment apps. Use built-in analytics to track your portfolio's performance. Adjust your investment strategy based on performance and market conditions. 2. Side hustle apps. Track earnings and expenses. Use analytics provided by the apps to understand what's working and what isn't. 3. Content creation. Apps monitor your earnings through analytics dashboards. Look at metrics like views, engagement, and subscriber growth to optimize content strategies. Regular tracking helps you stay on top of your financial goals and make informed decisions. And that's a wrap on our step-by-step guide to making $10,000 a month with passive income apps. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and share it with anyone looking to boost their income. Drop a comment below with any questions or your own tips for earning passive income. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep hustling and stay smart.